The power to create. Isn't it something sounding really big? But it also comes with utter responsibility and thoughtfulness. Let's discuss it as we are going to discuss in the video about the day 4 of Navratri. So welcome back to the Let's Chit Sit series everyone. And today we are going to discuss about Maa KUSHMANDA, whom we worship on the day 4th of Navratri. So she is meant for creation, bringing something into existence, creation of the universe, right? But what does this creation actually means? Creation means bringing something into existence, and bringing something into existence doesn't come single-handedly. It just doesn't just come like that. Like rights and duties go hand in hand. Just like that, we also need to be responsible about what we create. Creating an idea, creating something new, an object, creating something, or giving something a new life. All of this comes under creation. So if we can take an example from Frankenstein to explain this, what I mean to say. So, Frankenstein is being created but then being abandoned. What's the consequences? Really dangerous. So, you need to be responsible about what you're creating. And we can also connect this to the nowadays AI world where we are living. Okay, so here you might have seen the debating topics upon the ethics on AI use, the ethics of AI, the law and governance for them. What are the ethics for them, right? What if you have created a robot and then will you have the ethical right to actually destroy that robot? Will you have that or will you not? It's something to debatable, and it's really going on in the current scenario. For all the debaters out there, a very great topics for you all. Okay, so it is like you have to be really responsible and you have to give a really great thought when you're creating something, be it art, be it any idea, be it any theory, right? Be it giving upon something which is really new to the world. Anything. Okay, so today you'll be also shocked by this, that I'm not just going to tell that only women are the creators as we are discussing Kushmanda Ma. As I say, that feminine energy could be there in men's too. So energy and being female is really different thing. So that energy is also there in every male when they create something new. Like, of course, we have so many theorists there. Of course, we have so many literary people who have created such new words. Like Shakespeare, of course, has created so many words. Rabindranath Tagore has created such a beautiful, Indian literary entire word thing, entire the series of works which are really great. In fact, all of the authors, all of the writers who write, who are adding and blending up their own imaginations with the reality of the life to do the social critique, are doing something to the world. They are creating a work of their own which is beneficial for the society. For if they are doing social critique, they're actually helping the society to improve. Okay, so, you all can understand how important a creation is. Now, it's your turn to give me some of the examples of any of the author, which is your favorite. Of course, they are doing a great creation, all what they have created. You can, of course, add up some of the words which are being created by Shakespeare or any of the other writer. And I also have a part 2 of this day for you all, so do watch that out. And for this video, you need to also comment what I asked you, right? Do comment that, and I will see you in the part 2 of the same day of Kushmanda Mata, where we'll be discussing creation with a very beautiful lens of women itself. So yeah, join me there too. And in the description box, you have the entire lecture series playlist where we are discussing literature things like this. So you can go through that even.